start on that. Cool. Alright, one more time. I want to get to, ooh, is it hot in here today? But I had to turn the air conditioner up because I don't want the noise in the background on everything. So check it out. I haven't even reviewed this. I just know I put this one up because I feel like, even though I like these guys, I don't feel like they know how to use the microphone that well. So it's not the best takes, and that's what I really want to use, is not the best takes. Because when I watch other tutorials, which made me want to help with tutorials, is that it seems like they are already mixing stuff that's already really great quality, or it's already pretty much mixing. That's not even the case with us, with us local producers and stuff like that. We don't have the greatest takes, so we are trying to turn shit into fucking diamonds. It's the fuck we are. I mean, can you fucking help? Right? Because regardless of what they say, I can't do it all the way yet. But there's a way to do it, because you'll fucking find out that motherfuckers is recording all kinds of shit and taking all kinds of shit and making that shit and making money off that shit. So no one needs no fucking diamond recording set. Anyways. No, but first, so it's a lot to go to it. I had an assistant, I guess, an assistant. No, he wants to be an apprentice, and I haven't ever had an apprentice, but so I let him come, just for one day to see, like, what that would be like, so I could get some experience on what it would be like to have an apprentice. It's difficult. There's so much to know here. Anyway, so I wanted to start with, because it seems like people are dying to hear chains and stuff from me, but like I said, it's more to it. I'm talking too much. So I wanted to go through, let's hear what we got here. Let's hear this top guy first.
Shorty said she got a man, he don't treat her right. Let's run up some bands, baby, we gon' be alright.
Oh, it look like I got some on here already. What that's the beat, or is that? I had some on the beat. Turn that off. And if I think voice, I turned that off. Okay. Let's hear the other guy.
She tryna come first, like every time. Like I'ma come first. She said, "Can you promise me you ain't gonna leave you hurting? Just don't do no fuck shit, girl. I love you, but I really love you. Fly you across the world in private planes. We all in different states.
Let's hear the other guy.
It look cool, but it might be violent, baby. I don't wanna bite him. This something can cry. Somebody go get him soon, cause he down. Dope, and I know I'm the highest.
Okay, you can hear they're all different.
She ain't taking. Seen a couple niggas hate. Said she picked a couple. She picked
The highest. Little baby the finest. Little mama gonna try it.
Okay. So honestly, let's say we're doing this song, right? How long has it been? 3 minutes. Okay, we're doing this song, you guys, right? And this guy's the first one in the booth, right? This guy right here is the first one that's doing the chorus.
The highest. Little baby the finest.
Wait, over here.
They say you too piped up, but I think that I love you.
Was that something in the beginning there?
They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you. She like to do drugs too. She in love with guns too. They say you too piped up, but I think that I love you.
I think that I want you.
So I have these tracks all going to this group right here. So let's say if I play this group and I throw like I'm just gonna throw, I like this right here, the Avid Lo-Fi. Not that, I just want to use this real quick. Let's say I do this, right? That means all these voices have that. Because because they're all going through the same group. I ain't gonna lie, like, part of my technique is knowing that sometimes this stuff be distorting when you're getting in the car and stuff. So I like to hear how it would distort. If you listen to this one, it sounds like it's the muffled distortion going on in here. So let's go with like a non-intrusive EQ, like a Q, because I feel like when you add this EQ, it doesn't add any flavor. Let's see. You know, you can do the sweep thing, right? But I'd rather just not and just go under.
Fly you across the world in proper planes, we all in different states. We can pop this shit, baby, let's go make money. Let's go buy a big crib, I'm tryna fuck you, wanna be in. No, I'm on outside shoot, but I just think I got a vision. No, a nigga who came home from 30 years, he still do it. See my cousin and that cash and that shit hurt, I still feel it. When he came up from the mud, ain't done yet, I'm still digging. Real pain, I take pressure, that shit hurt, I still feel it.
So we'll go with that. I try not to overthink stuff because I'll regret it. It's a right. Let me hear it. It's this. It's ad-lib. Let me take that out. Like, I don't want to hear that. If I can find it. There's so much I don't want to hear. More of that. I don't want to hear none of that. Okay, let's go to the next guy. Once I do one thing to one person, I kind of keep the same flow going because I feel like it goes with the beat.
Little baby the finest, little mama gon' try it. When all they sell, by the way, with some ratchet, she fucking for time. With these four, she like my behind. Too nice, you know I'm too now. To the bitch, you know no time. Now I got still gotta shine.
Okay, let's turn off this lo-fi.
You hurt. Just don't do no fuck shit, girl. I love you, but I wouldn't really love you. Fly you across the world and proper.
I don't know, it kind of sounds a little cleaner.
It be silent, it look cool, but it might be violent, baby. I don't want to mind it. I
didn't do the middle guy. I forgot. I thought it sounded okay, but we'll just give it a little something just because I hear it. Okay, now it's gonna. Let's do a little volume. Let's see with what though. Not with these, cause.
I'ma come first. She said, "Can you promise me you ain't gonna leave you hurt?"
Ad-lib, right? Oh, they're up. That's why. Look at, they were up +7 for some reason. Reset that note pan and stuff. Let's see. Okay, with this guy, it just doesn't sound bright, right? So, I mean, I don't want to try this because no, because it's gonna probably try to book some time. This guy, hold on.
She's trying to come first, like every time. It's like I'm gonna first. She said, "Can you promise me you ain't gonna
Where's REQ?
Just don't do no fuck."
I like ways REQ to brighten up stuff.
Fly you across the world in proper planes. We all in different states. We can pop this shit, baby.
See what that
Make
sound
million,
like.
let's go buy a big crib. I'm tryna fuck you, want a billion. No, it might not sound true, but I
It's
just
actually
think
kind of
I
like
got a
this.
vision. Know a nigga who came home from 30 years, he still dealing.
Yeah, I mean, other people would say saturation, but I don't know. I like the REQ.
I'm still digging, real pain, I take personal.
So that's cool. Let's go over here. Match this up. This high end or whatever.
How I be sliding in glass.
Things in EQ. Might as well throw the same thing on there like I told you, just because we're gonna match that song. Just we just throw a little top type of air. Look for the air. Yeah, that feels good. It feels good. And then I feel like, I don't know, maybe the low end. Okay, yeah. Just listening for stuff. Let's see. This guy's like low. So let's go for it. Let's turn him up. We can do shift, windows, and scroll. And I'll just throw that up, you know what? And I'm just alt shift alt 3 to bounce it. So no, that's it. Same thing. Let's give him a little air to match it. It's in the beat. It's a crash. You know, like a band. It's a big band. Yeah, so now that like volume, so that air matches the air of that crash. Double check it. This guy had natural air. And then we add the air here, okay? So they sound a little closer. Everybody sounds a little closer. It'll come together. It'll come together. Okay, so alt